Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about study spots and the tips and tricks I have learned over the years to make my study environment the most productive atmosphere for myself. I have lots to share with you, so let's get right on into the video. Alright, so I'm going to talk about just a few essentials that I have and some extra things as well. And then I'm going to show you them in practical application in my study spot. So first, you want to have a desk that is preferably by a window, and also you want to have a power strip because you end up having a bunch of different things that you have to end up having charged, or just all of your different electronics. And then also during online classes, I've found that an extra monitor is really helpful because a lot of those windows end up building up really quickly. I also additionally just bought a printer, and that has been really helpful to print out assignments instead of having everything online. I also have a weekly schedule that I update every week, and it just kind of gives me an overview of how busy or maybe not so busy my week might be compared to other weeks. And I also have a cute little writing utensil holder that I have that keeps all of my extra pens, pencils, scissors, whatnot in one spot. And then some just extra things that I will show you. I have two cute little succulents that I have, and then I have a bunch of pictures hanging up around my study space that really makes it extra homey. So here's the desk that I use, nothing too special. Some essentials that I have tucked back here are the power strip, the speaker, and I also have a lamp. I also have the monitor, which has been a great addition. So on the left side of my desk, I have the printer, I have my weekly schedule posted on my wall, and then I have some cute pictures above that. And then here are some of just the fun things that I have. Here are my cute little plants, and the utensil holder, and some more pictures. That's all the study tools I have for you today. Enjoy!